Hollywood is a world full of secrets, intrigue, and rumors. Some conspiracies are so bizarre they sound like something out of a movie. But what if some of them were true? From hidden relationships to mysterious deaths, here are some of the biggest celebrity conspiracies that might actually be true. Paul McCartney's death, the Beatles cover-up. One of the most enduring and bizarre celebrity conspiracies revolves around Paul McCartney, the legendary bassist of the Beatles. In 1967, rumors started circulating that McCartney had died in a car crash and that he had been secretly replaced by a look-alike. The theory was fueled by clues in Beatles albums, with fans claiming that hidden messages in song lyrics and cover art suggested McCartney was no longer alive. The most famous piece of evidence comes from the album Abbey Road, where McCartney appears barefoot and out of step with the other band members, leading some to believe that he was symbolically dead. Furthermore, some fans pointed to the Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band cover, where McCartney is said to be holding a hand over his groin, signaling a death reference. While McCartney has obviously denied these rumors, the strange and cryptic messages left by the Beatles on their album covers have kept the conspiracy alive for decades. Is it just a marketing stunt, or could there be more to the theory than meets the eye? Tupac Shakur is alive, the death of a legend. Tupac Shakur was tragically shot in a drive-by shooting in 1996, a loss that devastated the hip-hop world. However, in the years since his death, conspiracy theorists have suggested that Tupac faked his death and went into hiding. Theories often cite Tupac's involvement in the Thug Life movement, where he portrayed a rebellious figure who didn't trust authority or the media. Many fans believe that Tupac staged his death to escape the pressures of fame and to live a life in peace. There's no shortage of evidence supporting this theory. Some fans point to strange inconsistencies in the official reports surrounding Tupac's death, like the fact that he was declared dead at a hospital that he was reportedly still alive at just hours before. Additionally, there have been numerous sightings of Tupac in the years after his death. In 2003, a man claiming to be Tupac appeared in an interview and suggested that the rapper faked his death, though the person was never identified. While Tupac's death was officially ruled as murder, and the case remains unsolved, the mystery surrounding his passing keeps this conspiracy alive. Did Tupac really fake his death, or is it all just wishful thinking from devoted fans? The Illuminati's influence in Hollywood. The Illuminati, a secret society that supposedly seeks to control world events, has long been a topic of conspiracy theories. One of the most popular theories is that the Illuminati has a powerful influence over Hollywood, using celebrities to push agendas and manipulate the masses. Some believe that celebrities such as Beyoncé, Jay-Z, Lady Gaga, and Rihanna are all part of the Illuminati, using their fame and influence to spread the society's ideals. The theory often points to the use of occult symbols, like the all-seeing eye, pyramid imagery, and hand gestures, which these celebrities are frequently photographed using in music videos, album covers, and public appearances. While many celebrities dismiss these claims as nonsense, the sheer prevalence of these symbols in pop culture has kept the theory alive. Some fans argue that the level of success these celebrities have achieved, combined with their alleged connections to powerful figures, makes it plausible that they may be involved in such a secretive society. Is the Illuminati a real and powerful force shaping Hollywood? Or is it all just a figment of imagination? Marilyn Monroe's death, a government cover-up? Marilyn Monroe was found dead in her home in 1962 from an apparent overdose. While the official cause of death was ruled as a suicide, conspiracy theories abound, suggesting that Monroe's death was not a simple case of overdose, but rather the result of a government cover-up. The most popular theory is that Monroe was killed because she was having an affair with President John F. Kennedy and possibly his brother Robert Kennedy. Some believe that Monroe was becoming a liability, potentially threatening to expose the Kennedy brothers' personal lives and their involvement in shady dealings. Evidence to support this theory includes the fact that Monroe was reportedly heavily monitored by government officials due to her connections with the Kennedys. Moreover, her autopsy was conducted under mysterious circumstances, with some suggesting that it was tampered with to hide the true cause of her death. Given the high-profile nature of Monroe's life and connections to powerful political figures, Logically, her death remains one of Hollywood's most enduring mysteries. Avril Lavigne's doppelgänger, the replacement conspiracy. In 2003, Avril Lavigne rose to fame with her punk pop style and hits like Complicated. However, a bizarre conspiracy theory began circulating in 2005 that the Avril fans knew and loved was replaced by a look-alike after her death. The theory suggests that the original Avril passed away in 2003, and her management hired a doppelganger named Melissa Vandella to take her place. The theory is based on supposed changes in Lavigne's appearance and style. Conspiracy theorists point to Lavigne's evolving look over the years, including a drastic change in her fashion and personality. Additionally, certain interviews and social media posts were said to hint at the switch, with some fans claiming that Melissa was revealed through subtle clues in Avril's music videos and album art. While there's no concrete evidence to support the claim, the idea of celebrity replacements has persisted in pop culture, and Lavigne's personal and professional evolution continues to fuel the speculation. Is it possible that Avril Lavigne was replaced with a look-alike, or is this just another bizarre rumor? The death of Elvis Presley. Was it faked? Elvis Presley, the king of rock and roll, is one of the most iconic figures in music history. When he passed away in 1977, his death shocked the world. But conspiracy theories quickly began to swirl. Some fans refused to believe that Elvis died, with many theorizing that he faked his death and went into hiding. The conspiracy is built around the fact that Presley was reportedly struggling with drug addiction and health problems at the time of his death. Some theorists believe that he faked his death to escape the pressures of fame and to live a private life. There are various theories that suggest Elvis may have been spotted alive after his supposed death. Some believe he went by the alias John Burroughs and lived in seclusion for years. There are even reports of sightings in places like Graceland and other parts of the United States, though no definitive evidence has ever been presented. Did Elvis Presley fake his death to avoid the pressures of fame? Or did he truly pass away in 1977? Beyoncé's black magic and the Illuminati. Another celebrity at the center of Illuminati conspiracy theories is Beyoncé. The singer has been linked to the Illuminati for years due to the use of occult symbols in her performances and music videos. Many point to the overt use of the triangle symbol, the all-seeing eye, and other signs associated with the Illuminati as proof that Beyoncé is involved with the secret society. Some believe that Beyoncé's success has come at a cost, and that her rise to fame was orchestrated by powerful figures who are part of this elite group. Fans argue that she uses black magic or occult practices to stay at the top of the entertainment world, though this theory remains unproven and largely speculative. Despite Beyoncé's repeated denials of any affiliation with the Illuminati, the constant scrutiny of her image and symbolism in her music has kept the theory alive. Could Beyoncé's success be the result of a supernatural or societal influence? Or is it just an elaborate conspiracy? The mysterious disappearance of Jimmy Hoffa. Hollywood's involvement? Jimmy Hoffa, the infamous labor union leader, disappeared without a trace in 1975, and despite years of investigations, his fate remains a mystery. While there are numerous theories about what happened to Hoffa, some suggest that Hollywood celebrities might be involved in his disappearance, specifically Marlon Brando and other influential figures from the entertainment industry. The theory goes that Hoffa had ties to organized crime, and his disappearance was orchestrated by mobsters who had connections to Hollywood stars. Some believe that Hoffa was killed because he had crossed powerful individuals in both the labor movement and Hollywood's underworld. The idea is that Hoffa's disappearance was part of a larger conspiracy to control both the unions and the entertainment industry. Despite the lack of concrete evidence, some speculate that the truth about Hoffa's disappearance is tied to the dark, secretive world of Hollywood, with the mafia having its fingers in both the film industry and labor unions. Was Hoffa's death a result of a Hollywood power struggle? Or is this just another conspiracy gone too far? Britney Spears' conservatorship, a hidden control? One of the most widely discussed celebrity conspiracies in recent years revolves around Britney Spears and her highly controversial conservatorship. In 2008, Britney's father, Jamie Spears, was granted legal control over her life and finances, a decision that sparked public outrage and led many to question if it was truly necessary. Conspiracy theories surrounding Britney's conservatorship suggest that it was not just a protective measure for her mental health, but rather a strategic move by powerful figures in the entertainment industry to control her career. Some believe that Britney was taken advantage of by those around her, including her family and the people handling her financial matters. In recent years, the Free Britney movement has grown, with fans pushing for her release from the conservatorship. The movement has brought to light the possibility that Britney was manipulated and controlled by those who had a financial stake in her success. Was Britney really incapable of handling her own affairs? Or was her conservatorship a way for Hollywood and her family to maintain control over her? Heath Ledger's death, an overdose or a Hollywood sacrifice? When Heath Ledger tragically passed away in 2008 at the age of 28, the world mourned the loss of one of Hollywood's brightest talents. Ledger's death was officially ruled as an accidental overdose, but a number of conspiracy theories have emerged that suggest a darker story behind his passing. Some believe that Ledger's death was not a simple overdose, but part of a larger Hollywood ritual or sacrifice. Conspiracy theorists point to the fact that Ledger had recently played the Joker in The Dark Knight, a role that was both intense and mentally taxing. Some speculate that the psychological toll from embodying such a dark character, combined with the pressure of Hollywood, led to his tragic end. Others argue that his death might have been orchestrated by the industry to ensure that he would be remembered as a tortured artist and to add a layer of mystique to his legacy. Theories of Hollywood sacrifices are not new, and Ledger's tragic death has fueled speculation about the price of fame in the entertainment world. Was his passing truly an accidental overdose, or is there a deeper, more sinister conspiracy at play in Hollywood's elite circles? The celebrity world is often more mysterious than it appears, with conspiracy theories running rampant about everything from secret societies to untimely deaths. While we may never know the full truth behind these conspiracies, the fact that they continue to captivate our imagination suggests that there's always more to Hollywood than meets the eye. If you enjoyed diving deep into these shocking celebrity conspiracies, don't forget to like and subscribe to Viral Vibe for more jaw-dropping stories from the world of entertainment.